Mrs. Cornean Talanya Magnaya Jamitisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Cornean Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First. It is year 2025. The doing of criminal that talks on my ear is already on a situation of killing myself, even though they interferes on a situation of surprise to myself, of which is so very wrong is their doing, of which is I wish they be dead. And then I am not a person that tends to answer YES or NO, letter A, letter Y, letter E, letter S, letter N, or letter N, letter O to other person. I am just to Alex and Jimentisa Jr. po. And then the other person is I like when it comes into relationship of myself to Alex and Jimentisa Jr. ko, also name is Manuel and the First. So I will talk now. Look at it. They talk and then they tends to define the relationship of myself to Alex Jr. ko, even though they is not Alex and Jimentisa Jr. ko. Akin lang Alex ko, dikit lang Alex ko. The person that talks is on being on casket together with her child, and then they not stop on talking. I will talk now. Where am I? July 2019. What else? The mother of Gabkid is as well uses black magic. That person wants to interfere eh. I could feel talaga that they want to interfere. And then annoy and anger only it is. I will not talk about her. Proceed is me on July 2019. What else? Oh, this one. Another information. On year 2018, about Lotto. The Lotto series, the Lotto talking on my life is so low. That is why I say of such this. When it comes onto Lotto, uh, when it comes onto Lotto, year 2018, they not want me to say it. Oh, when it comes onto Lotto, year 2018, I not know the year, December or November. May talking, there is person that talks on my mouth and then saying, uh, kailangan bigyan si na Tito Onad ng ganito, ng ganitong pera, ng ganitong uh, event, wedding event, such that on myself, when I talk such this, I could not accept of such that. Why? Because that is not myself talking. That is why I talks. It is such as telling a body movement, and then uh, should it says should be to give money to them. The specific I will say later. They should give money and then pampering and relaxation, something such that. Why? And no. The Lotto series, the Lotto about on year 2018 is they tends to clingy. Yan na naman, someone is stopping me to talk. And then says daw, they should travels. Wait, I will just go outside. So, what there tends to ruin is the arts and design and love life of Alex Jr. Go to myself. Bobo. I will talk now. And then, when it comes into art and design of Alex Jr. Go to myself, it is a moment to shine. What the right eye person is doing is bullying, especially on my being pure, dalagang Filipina. The right eye is killer. And then they use black magic so that they could turn themselves uh, into good, but they is bad person. They is ruining my feeling. This is not growthness. My God. I will now talk um, about the Lotto year 2018. Myself is being put of something in here on neck so that I could not talk. So what it is about, um, on talking, I could not say it. I'm not the person who talks about it. Yeah, nakakadiri. I'm not the person who talks about it. Excuse me, 17 year already is me and Alex Kokin lang akin. It says, my mouth says, hala, during that moment about Lotto and then Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye and then Marife, Oregano Magnaye. Myself is in a situation of I'm not the person who talks about it. And then myself is could not talk and then blind on the situation. Why? Why there is such that? Alex lover ko. I will talk now. Ano mo ka mo? Mamatay sa sarili mo. Papansin na naman yung kadiri, oh. Diyos ko. Ang sakit-sakit na ng dibdib ko. 29-year-old pa lang ako. Hindi naman mga kausap ngawa ng ngawa. Mamatay. Taka. Alex lang. I wish those person be dead that talks on my ear. Ako lover ni Alex. Papansin yung boses sa tenga. Even person to person, I not want to hear the voice because that is so kadiri, not part of my socialization. Not part of my socialization. There is person, oh. Mine is mine. Akin utak ko. Babaeng babae ako. Oh! Ano? I am a bride. I need to say it. Lotto during year 2018. And then it is about Tito Ronald Gonzales Magnaye. Ronald Gonzales Magnaye is my talking on mouth. And then Marife Regano Magnaye. Now, what it is about? It says about their wedding, wedding that should be happening, that should be happens during myself is, and they tends to interfere, oh. They tends to interfere on myself. Myself is synchronous at the moment. Myself is on wedding already. So wedding, and then myself being connects to Lotto, then putting on stress, depression during year 2018. The putting on stress, depression on myself is black magic. So meaning to say, I am healthy person, but they is putting me on stress, depression, so that myself be killed, be dead. Then from that, the next is topic of putting the stress, depression on myself is about Tito Ronald Gonzales Magnaye, and then Marife Oregano Magnaye, and then Tita Marife Oregano Magnaye. And then from that, problem of them is wedding, putting myself on such as hurting because of myself is telling a body movement to think about their problem. My age during year 2018 is 23-year-old. Specific it is. And then from that problem of about wedding of them, myself is putting on pressing on the right forehead. It is always the right forehead during year 2018. Pressing is such as this one. So at the moment I am talking, the right eye is controlling me on talking. And then at the moment, my right forehead is aching. I feel dizzy at the moment. And then, wedding problem of them is being put on myself. When I say being put on myself, they is telling me to talk. So to they not have a problem. my God. When it comes to specifically their wedding, I feel shocks. Talk lang, talk myself. I will talk. Next is um, from the problem on their wedding, myself is being put on such as to solve it, even though I should not solve it because I am 23-year-old and then I have something to do on my life. Oh my God. They is putting me on broad, of which is myself is specific, the right eye, magic, and then shame that is. Oh, that is so dangerous. Ay, bobo ko ma-flash. Next. Hmm. There is a talking at the moment in 2025. The next is um, after the problem about wedding of Tito Unad and the Tita Marife, uh, suddenly black magic. The black magic doing on myself during year 2018 about this I am talking, they tends to hurt my chest so that I could talk. That is my situation year 2018, meaning to say the whole year, 365 days, they tends to hurt my chest on the use of black magic, pressing. And then, after that, uh, when they hurt me on the use of black magic on chest, talking na already. My mouth talks. Wait, at the moment my chest is on 8. Diyos ko. And then, uh, the person, wait lang, information. The person on my right eye is chismosa. That is why that person knows when it comes onto Tita Marifent and Tito Unad about wedding. Chismosa the right eye. How could I say that? Because myself is being forced to solve it. Now the right eye talks, saying, solving on myself. They want to solve they want to solve it of myself, but myself is talking. That solving about it is body movement. So that is the situation of such as putting me on tenga mode just at home, and then I am just 23-year-old during that moment. I not think of them. Next. Just pain talaga. Wait, minura ko. Minura, definition in English. Someone says bad word to myself and there's a black magic on the right eye. I feel dizzy. I will continue talking now. So, the about of solving it, what the right eye forces me to talk about during on year 2018 and the use of black magic is such as about Lotto. So when it comes into Lotto, what the talking on myself about wedding solving to the Tito Unad and Tita Marife is such this. Uh, whole year they travel, they will have a money, lotto money is will be go onto them, something such that. What else? Uh, what else it is? Specific is what I say. Number two, number three, uh, give give jewelry to Tita Marife, something such that. And then, mm, plane ticket to Tita Marife, and then Tito Unad, who is during that moment, wedding, wedding of them. I not know what it means. Specific, I am here Philippine. It is such as the description of when there is a lotto, it says give it. It is crucial. It is when I talk about it. Talk lang talk. I feel I'm not criminal. I feel myself is being put on heaviness. Until heaviness. I not know what is happening yet. What else it is? On each words that I say, the right eye is hurting me. Chest pain. Pressing, pressing. Pressing, pressing. During year 2018. What else? Uh, Andrea Faye should be put on studies daw, on college degree. It is being put on my mouth to say it. I not know why. When it is about Lotto, what else? Mm, I not know yet what is happening. I will talk. Wait, specific Lotto about. Hmm, specific Lotto. of what I say on my previous camera video about Lotto. This is how myself talks. This is uh, of what is happens during year 2018. Truthfulness is what I say. I need to say it. It is heavy. Heaviness. Why is it heaviness? Hindi makasingit yung tao sa talking-talking. In English dialecto, the person could not enter on the talking-talking. I could not go to the talking-talking. Not you. About the right eye talking. Wait lang. Specific is what I say. Myself is unspecific. What am I saying is the vibes on the right eye. Says the right eye says could not go into the conversation about what to want to say. And then what else it is? Uh, the vibes. What vibes? The imagination place of myself is on Barangay Pinagsama. And then it is top view during the moment. And then is it Barangay Pinagsama? And then um, there is another talking about their wedding, such as going on other country if they held their wedding. And then from that wedding, the right eye does not want me to go to the wedding, putting myself on pressing, meaning to say why it is being on the moment year 2018. The right eye is pressing my chest so that I could feel heart pain illness, chest pain. That is my situation year 2018. And then, hmm, the right eye is putting it on intonation. When I say intonation, they tends to put it on intensity 1 to 10, 7. And then what it is about is siguro di mo mangyayari yan, something such that. In English dialecto, you be sure that it will happen or else, something such that. Oh my God, chest pain at the moment. Ay, Diyos ko, nasaan? Talking. It is heavy. And then, I could not say it because it is heavy about hurting portion on myself, pressing chest bone. Kaloka, men. The vibes when I say Barangay Pinagsama, Gemaline. That is me another talking about a Lotto moment during year 2018. Meron pa, trillion. Wait. Diyos ko. Lower legs ko. From that moment on myself, what my description is, myself is being put on sadness, loneliness, and then chest pain, and then once myself about manipulation on body movement. That is the doing. On myself, I'm Konian, year 2018 Therese. Excuse me. Lover legs ko. And then, what else? Diyos ko. Ang bigat. It is heavy. Chest pain. Ay. Chest pain near on, in here, low, chest bone. Diyos ko. Mhm. My situation during that moment, year 2018, about Lotto, about wedding of them, is sadness because they not stop on talking the right eye, killing myself. My right forehead during year 2018, killer vibes tends to kills me. The whole year it is. Whole year. I talk as well on positivity and then I talk as well on negativity year 2018. What else could I say? What else could I remember? The the saying of myself year 2017, year 2018, the person is so erotic on television, imagination television. No, wait. The eroticness about on television of the person is the black and white, black and gray of television. I not know what it means. I not know what it means. I not, layas ang konian. I not know what it means. Erotic on black and gray on television when it is there is no person. I could feel it on my right eye. Grabe. And then the person is happy because myself is imagining. I not know why. What is I feel? Bad. Bad. So if it is happy, opportunity. I not know the meaning of black and gray on television. Myself is putting on a situation of to imagine television and then black and gray, and then imagination is on the television. The on myself right eye, the place is SM Market, the jeepney in there on the side. Before it is on car parking lot. The jeepney on on the side of Market on the road. Hala, the right eye says they're talking. They is talking. There is event in the negativity, I think. No, or positivity. What does it mean? Year 2017 that is. Year 2018? Oh, year 2018 that is. What does it mean? No, no. If I am with Alex Junico, I will talk such this as well. Myself will talk until I feel that there is no something, such as something bothering, or even if there is person that pops up on my mind, I will talk about it. Not just like what I'm doing. About the television during year 2018 on my right eye, am I the person who thinks of it? On myself feelings, and then intelligence, capability to imagine, energy is being get. What is the meaning of black and gray on television? I not know. Time ko. It has meaning. Ayoko dito. Time ko. About the television black and gray of talking of myself, there is another talking of myself. No, I am on number two talking. Mm, during that moment about television, I tend I tends to write poem, saying, not poem, saying. It is praise, letter P, letter H, letter R, letter A, letter S, letter E, and then words of it. And then year 2018 there is that mini notebook is on the rental house. I don't know what it means. What do I feel on black and gray? It suddenly pops up during that moment. I feel shocks, nagulat, from steady tends to gumano. I feel scared now. Tingnan ko. Scares me left eye. I. 'Cause. 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 'C Lover colleagues ko. What else on year 2018? I am the person that talks. I am talking. The right eye is telling me putting on dim light only. Need to talk. Wait. I will just open the light. Switch on the light. Yan. And then, uh, I write saying on mini notebook. It is on the rental house. Rental house meaning my parent that I am a child is renting a house. That is why rental house. That is my existence here, Philippines. Rental house. 29-year Tagigenya. Village it is, village. Ay ko, na-relax to. And then, suddenly the television, when I am writing about water, putting it on deepness, the thought, that is the definition of that saying. A person thinks, that is, oh, wait, that is my saying. Saying near to poem. Such this. Wait, ala, goodness is me. Wait lang. Wow. Wait. Ako na yan. I am writing a saying. About it is a person will think easy and then putting it on deepness. So to be rise the thought, there is the meaning of that saying. Yun. A while ago, while I am doing such this, it is being on bad vibes. And then, what is next about it? Television. That is the synchronous of happens. Television. There is person on the right eye. As I look on in here on my camera video, there is person on the right eye. Ang ganda ko. Ayan, pretty. And then, that is the happens of television suddenly shows. Putting it on, what I think on indoor is, I not think of it, color golden brown. And then suddenly it turns into white and gray. Then suddenly on myself being get my feeling being put it on such this. Ganun. Put na the word manahimik, not the word be quiet. It is such as putting it on farthest. Hmm. So if it is I not know what it means. I feel scared. I am goodness person. And then when it is on farthest, the television, it suddenly not being shown. The television, it suddenly vanish the television. I not know what it means. Specific to this year 2018, what do I think of from that saying of myself? I not want my situation. Is that the description of talking of outside the house, those person? I not know. I feel scared. Uh, and then I feel scared. There is person in the right eye. I will talk more. What else? Year 20. They start year 20. 21 to year 2022 and then year 2023. They start of looking on my mini notebook of what is written and then talking about it. They like the witch, about which is beauty after all. I not know. They like that, putting on deepness. So let's see. That is my year 2017 inside the classroom. Law. I am on business in law. Number 3. Is that 3 or 4? Number 3, I not finish it. Business in law is good. Is good. It is good to uh, study on college degree. It is fun. My energy is being boosted because of studying on college is fun. Happy, happy. And then, um, they use black magic when they talks about it, the right year 2021, year 2022, year 2023, that is written only saying praise. Why? Oh, that is my favorite. Life is an edifice. It is called hardship. That my thinking process on Indo is Alex Junior po because civil engineer. Love life. Loving loving. Ayan na. Smiley. It is good. Writing on Indo. I am putting the name. I am not yet done. On Indo about Lloyd Wilson Savio and then Justin Mercadaro. They is my friend. Moment. Moment it is. I am not yet done. I will put in there Sassy Angels. What my leisure time during 2017 I put in there. I want to uh, uh, such as doodle, writing in there, and then uh, the paper contains what letter on it. Why? I not know. The word gising na. I not know what is happening. I bother myself. Suddenly the television vanished. There is person the right eye. I feel scared. That is my scaredness. Yung at the moment I feel just pain and then television scared. What else? Ako lover, let's go. Year 2018 that is television. Uh, I already say it about to say Rizal on jeepney. Year 2017. Myself is being forced. I not know what it is about. About to say Rizal. Uh, the vibes about it is the year. It is near 124 year celebration of Jose Rizal being dead. That is being forced on myself. The number. I not know what it means. Year 2017. And then, uh, does not stop to bother me. The form of this putting stress to myself. Myself has depression year 2018. I am healthy person. Studying on college is not depression on my life. Oh, Divalorespiriton. Myself is feels irritate. I am healthy and yet I drink medicine. Chemical. I not know about Divalorespiriton about. I My tummy is not bloated anymore. Such as if I press such this, it is softness already. During year 2018, it is super such as thick and then could not press of such this. It is hard to press. It is when to press the tummy year 2018. This one is not such as this one. Could not. But at this year 2025, it is good already such this. Weird. Oh, grabe. The right I thinks of exercise. I do exercise already 5 stroke and 58 minutes. What else? I will just be with them. So that is me talking at the moment, 1 hour and 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Ah, let me see.